Look! Excavator Woofoo is driving! There is a fork ahead. No! Tutu and Bus are rushing from both sides. Woofoo! Brake! Oh, Tutu hits the tree. Bus! Brake now! Stop! Finally! Oh, dangerous! Woofoo fell into the river. Tutu can't help him. It is still dizzy now. Bus, go to save Woofoo. Bus tries to pull him, but it can't reach him. What should it do? Got it. There is a buoy. Throw it to the river. Woofoo, get on the buoy. Woofoo, don't worry. I'll ask someone to help you. Look, there is a transport ship in the distance. Bus, ask him for help. Hey, transport ship. Oh, transport ship. Someone is calling you. Bus, what's up? Woofoo fell into the river. We need your help. Okay, I'm coming. We need to find Woofoo. I found him. Woofoo, get on board. Woofoo is safe now. Transport ship, please send Woofoo back to the shore. Woofoo, here is the dock. Please get off. Oops, here is a guardrail. Woofoo is out of strength being in the water for too long. Bus, pull Woofoo up. Woofoo has helped the shore. Bus is great. Look, Bus is driving on the road. Hey, Bus! Oh no, there is a sharp rock. But Bus doesn't find it. Oh, Bus hits the tree. Huh? What noise? No! Falling rocks! Bus needs help! Woofoo, Tutu, go to help Bus! Little Red and Little Blue go with them. They arrived. Poor Bus is laying on the ground and couldn't get up. Bus, don't worry. I will call Woofoo for help. Woofoo, go to help Bus now. Hook Bus with the bucket. Pull it back, Woofoo. Come on, Woofoo. Oh, Woofoo is out of strength. Tutu and robots go to assist Woofoo. Tutu is here. Little Red is here. Little Blue is here. Help Bus up. However, Bus seems a bit off. Woofoo, check Bus now. Lift Bus first. Little Blue, please check the bearing problem. It doesn't seem to have problem with the bearing. problem is. Go to the front. Oh, the bumper of Bus was dented. The tires of Bus were also punctured. Something is off. Wolfoo, take Bus's temperature with the thermometer. Bus, take your temperature. Oh, Bus is in fever. Wolfoo, take Bus back to the base for treatment. Hey, why does Bus stop? There is a wooden bridge ahead. Wow, it's high. Bus, please be careful. Bus suddenly brakes. What happened? Watch out! It collapsed. Bus, don't worry. Now back up. Bus can't go over it. What to do? Wolfoo, Bus needs your help. Robot, get on. Set out with Tutu. Arrived. Don't worry, they'll fix the bridge soon. Wolfoo, go to take a look. Wolfoo checks on the bridge. Oh no! It breaks again! Luckily, Wolfoo hung on it. Come on! Oh! Wolfoo comes up! Good job! Wolfoo knocks the plate off. Robot lifts the new one. Put it on. Good job. Wolfoo also hooks up the plate. Put it on. It's solid. Robot lifts another one. Put it well. It's the last one. Leave it to Wolfoo. Put it on. Done! Bus, you can go across now. Bus is still afraid. Wolfoo and Tutu go first. Here they come. Bus, it's safe. Don't worry. Bus is ready to go. He stretches out the wheel for a try. Go, Bus! Wow, he came safely. Wolfoo and Bus are looking for water in the desert. They look here and there. I'm so thirsty. I can't move anymore. What does Bus find? It is a lizard. The sand is too hot. The lizard's legs are standing apart. What is Bus thinking about? Go to find water. Bus is imitating the lizard. Bus, you're so naughty. Look, the lizard is angry with you. Let's find some water. The desert is so dry. The sun is strong. We can't go without water. Oh, what happened to Bus? No! The wheels of Bus are stuck in the sand. Hey, Bus, come on! Wolfoo, Bus is stuck in the sand. Oops! I'm sure I can find water source. Huh? Where is Bus? Another trouble. I'm coming. Wolfoo, push Bus. Come on, Bus. Oh, Bus comes out. Huh? What's the sound? We find the water source. Bus pushes the detector away. Wolfoo starts to dig. Come on, Wolfoo! Come on! Wow! Wolfoo digs deeper and deeper. Wolfoo's shadows disappear from the ground. Bus waits for a long time. He couldn't wait. Wolfoo! Wolfoo! Can you find the water source? No. Huh? Wolfoo! Is there any water? Oil! Oil! You? Oil! It's oil, not you! Bus and Wolfoo is washed up to the air by oil. They are falling. Huh? It seems to rain. It's raining! We can drink water! Bus and Wolfoo are chasing the rain. Oh, they failed! Don't give up! Oh! The thunder struck Wolfoo and Bus! The lizard comes next to them and despises them and flies away. Wow, there is a big pool ahead. It is embarrassing. Wolfoo and Tutu want to play hide and seek. Tutu is the seeker. 10, 9, 8, 7. Bus! Wolfoo! Hurry to hide yourself! Wolfoo comes to the base. Huh? Second floor? Wolfoo hides itself under the deck of the second floor. Be careful! Bus! Hide yourself quickly! Bus wants you to hide here. Oh, the back of Bus is exposed. Bus, you can't hide here. Change a place. 6, 5, 4. What to do? Bus can't find a place. 3, 2, 1. Tutu, go to seek them. Huh? Bus, you need to hide yourself. 10, 9, 8, 7. Where to hide Bus? Bus, Haystack can't hide you. Come out. Bus comes to the dyeing shop. Bus is dyed yellow. How does that happen? 5, 4, 3. Bus, hide yourself! Oh, the color of the wall is the same as Bus. Hide here! 2, 1. Begin to seek. Will they hide here? No. Are they in the haystack? Neither. Keep seeking. Tutu doesn't see Bus. Come to the base. Wolfoo is found. Ah! You are so fast! Go to find Bus. Where does Bus hide? over there. Go! It seems to be Buzz. Buzz is found! Look! Wolfo is walking on the street. Huh? What is Wolfo looking for? Oh! There is a water pistol! Wolfo is thinking of what can be done with it. Wow! Buzz and Tutu is playing football. Got it! He can cool them down with the water pistol. Take it! Wolfo is going to cool them by surprise. Oh no! Isn't that a water pistol? Try again. No! It's a frozen pistol. Tutu and Buzz are frozen. Wolfo did it, but he is not on purpose. Wolfo needs to help Tutu and Buzz. Wolfo, do you have an idea? We can melt the ice with the sun. Wolfo, it's a good idea. Oh no, the sun is covered by dark cloud. Buzz and Tutu can't get the sunlight. Wolfo wants to put them under the sun. But he is not strong enough. Huh? Football! Wolfo got an idea! Hook the football! 1, 2, 3! Wow! Look! The ice is cracked a little. Wolfo finds a new way. It tries to cut the ice with his bucket. Wow! Buzz is saved. Wolfo also needs to help Tutu. Done! Wolfo, you are brilliant! What is Tutu going to do? It carries freight. Watch out! Dodge it! Oh, the goods fell into the river. Tutu, go to pick up the goods. He comes to the river and stretch out the wheel to block them. Look, the goods are floating down. Alas, he can't reach them. Goods float away. Tutu seems to find something. Huh? Branches? Got it. We can stop the goods with branches. Tutu takes the branch quickly. Throw it into the river. Hope he can succeed. Oh, he failed. Huh? Buzz, do you want to block them with the stone? Come on, push it! Push the stone into the river. Goods float down. Hope he can succeed. Yeah! Goods are blocked! But Tutu still can't reach it. Wolfo, wake up! Tutu needs your help. It can't reach the goods in the river. Go to have a look. Wolfo arrived. Wolfo, please hook the boxes. No problem. up by Wolfoo. Bus and Tutu are playing football. They enjoy themselves. Oh! The football fell into the grass. Bus is sad. Tutu decides to find it. Tutu is looking around. Then it climbs to the top. Shake the grass. A volleyball fell out. Shake again. Oh, a Coke bottle. Shake again. Oh, lots of garbage. Tutu kicks them away. Almost hit Bus. Shake again. Wow, a golden seed. Bus comes. He touches the seed. What kind of seed is it? Wolfoo is driving on the road. Hey, Wolfoo! Wolfoo heard Bus. Go to take a look. Wolfoo also comes. He's going to dig a pit. Done! Bus, push the golden seed into the pit. It's done! Then, Wolfoo fills the pit. Tutu transforms into a fire truck. Starts watering the pit. Bus compacts the soil. Drive across the pit to make it compacted. Oh! The golden seed is sprouting. It grows into a big tree. Bus shouted, "Help! Help!" Tutu comes. Don't worry, Bus. I'm coming. Tutu raised the ladder. But he can't reach Bus. Tutu tries to pull down Bus with a rope. Tutu, throw out the rope. Okay, Tutu, go for it. Come on. The tree is bent. Bus is thrown into the river. Wow! Bus is saved! Bus, you are next to the cliff. Be careful! Watch out! Falling rocks! Bus, brake now! Why are there rocks here? No! Oh! Bus is buried under a rock. It can't get out. Wolfoo! Tutu! Rush to help him! Let's go! Arrived. Bus! Don't worry. We are coming. Wolfoo! Move the rocks. Little Red, Little Blue, go to help. Lift a big rock. Put it beside the trunk. Good job. Tutu, it's your turn. Tutu also tries to move a big rock. Oh no! The loose rocks on the hilltop hit Bus! Wolfoo! Please find a way! Got it! We can get a shed to block the rocks. Tutu, set up the pole! Put up the shed! Little Red and Little Blue, clean the rocks! Little Red, come on! Little Blue, go for it! rocks off one by one. Robots, come down to help. Move the shed. Bus, go to grab Wufu's bucket. Wufu, come on! Yeah! Bus is saved! That's great! Look, Tutu! Wufu and Bus are playing football. Wufu, stop the football! Oh no! Wufu is hanging on the cliff! Tutu tries to pull Wufu up, but he can't. Bus can't either. Tutu, what should we do? Got it! Let's rope to the bucket of Wufu. Bus, Tutu, are you ready? Begin! Hold! Yeah! Wufu is saved! However, the football fell under the bridge. Tutu, what should we do? Tutu has an idea. We can hang Wufu down with the rope. Let's make preparation. Bus and Tutu build the rack first. Wufu put the rollers on. Come on, Wufu. Wufu is going down. Wufu, the football is on the right. Wufu hooks the football. Tutu comes to check. Hey, Tutu, pull me up. Tutu, Bus, let's pull. Yeah, the football and Wufu are here. Let's play. Oh, the football is hanging on the tree. Bus makes trouble again. Wufu is driving on the road. Why does he stop? There is a shabby bridge. Wufu tries to drive across the bridge. Oh no! Wufu fell down. It's high. How do I get up? Wufu stands up. He tries to climb through the wall. Wufu, come on! Oh, it's too slippery. Wufu can't climb up. He is trapped. Tutu, go to help Wufu. Bus, go to help him. Wufu, don't worry. Tutu and Bus is coming. Tutu and Bus came. Wow, it's too high. What should we do? Tutu, find a way. Got it. We can put a rope on Wufu, then pull him up. First step, let's build a rack. Little red, little blue. Go with them. Little red lifts the left. Little blue lifts the right. Install the rack here. Bus, put on the rollers on. What's the noise? Whoa, dangerous! Robot goes to set the plates. Done! Help Wu-Fu to tie the rope. Bus, Tutu, are you ready? Go! Wu-Fu comes up. Go to a safe place now.